Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link or button in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design where you want to add the clickable button. Once your design is loaded, look at the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is where you'll find all the shapes, graphics, and design elements Canva offers. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type rectangle and press Enter. You'll see various rectangle options appear. Click on any basic rectangle shape to add it to your canvas. This rectangle will serve as the foundation for your clickable button. Now click on the rectangle you just added and drag its edges to resize it into a button shape. Make it whatever size works best for your design, whether you want a wide horizontal button or a more compact square one. The flexibility here lets you match your brand's style perfectly. Next, with the rectangle still selected, click on the color circle in the top toolbar. A color palette will appear, allowing you to choose any color that fits your design. Pick a color that stands out and draws attention, since this will be an interactive element you want people to notice and click. Now it's time to add text to your button. Click inside the rectangle and start typing your call to action, like click me, learn more, or visit our site. This text tells your viewers exactly what action they should take. You can adjust the font, size, and color of the text using the toolbar at the top to make it look professional and readable. Once your button looks exactly how you want it, right-click on the rectangle itself. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Link, or you can simply press Ctrl+K as a keyboard shortcut to open the link dialog faster. In the link field that appears, type or paste your desired URL. For example, you could enter youtube.com. Make sure you include the full web address so the link works properly when someone clicks it. Once you've entered the URL, click Done to save the link to your button. Now your button is fully functional with a clickable link embedded in it. To make this link actually work, you need to export your design as a PDF. Click Share in the top right corner, then select Download from the drop-down menu. In the file type options, choose PDF Standard. This format preserves the clickable links you've added. Finally, click Download and wait for Canva to generate your file. Once the PDF downloads to your computer, open it up and test your button by clicking on it. If everything was set up correctly, it should take you directly to the link you specified. And that's it. You've successfully created a clickable button in Canva and exported it as an interactive PDF. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.